Greetings, humans. Astro here. I just installed the creative.space 305 update. Let's see what's new.
Let's start with the big one. Real-time review and approval inside creative.space. Watch this. I open a video, click Review, and now I've got threaded, time-coded comments right here in the sidebar. As you play and jump around your video, the sidebar scrolls to focus on the active comment thread. Type your comment in the box below the video and click the button to create a new thread. Each thread has a review status, and you can add additional comments. When you're done, export your threads and comments to DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro as timeline markers. Libraries have gotten a major upgrade. Tag sections and categories can now be shared globally or between multiple spaces. Browse all your assets from across the system in a single view, or use the drop-down to filter to specific spaces. As always, you can filter based on matching text, which is a great way to quickly select files based on shared patterns and tag them. And get this, tag data can be exported as sidecar files. So when you archive, your metadata goes right along for the ride.
Tag sidecars and our next feature are disabled by default and require special configuration.
The new archive interface integrates ArchAware P5 into creative.space. Now you can browse your archive indexes and inspect assets with previews and metadata. Once you find the folder or file you were looking for, you can trigger a restore job. If any of the tapes you need are offline, you can click to copy a message for your admin that includes all of the required barcodes. Even if the tapes are offline, you can submit the job and it will wait in the queue until the tapes come online and then run.
This next one is for Red camera owners. Tamper to creative.space through a built-in S3 gateway.
Clips start transferring as soon as you stop recording and magically appear in creative.space. The prefix you set in camera becomes the folder structure. Any of your spaces can have S3 activated. On the system page, a new S3 service card shows all the URLs available for access, your S3 credentials ready to copy, and a menu to control which spaces are shared. Plus, there's a button to download the auth files for your camera along with setup instructions. Lastly, we've expanded preview format support to include Adobe Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator projects, as well as Microsoft Visio, PowerPoint, Word, and Excel, along with ebooks. And finally, you can now export the metadata you see in the inspector to a sidecar file.
That's what's new with creative.space. One workflow for everything. Cancel the clutter. Keep the flow. With creative.space, storage built for video.